Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a playlist on YouTube channel. To create the playlist, go to the playlist tab on your channel, then click on new playlist and give a title. Click on create. So the playlist is created without any videos. We will add videos to this playlist. For that, click on edit. Now click on add videos. You can search videos from YouTube and add to this playlist, or you can copy the URL of the video and paste here and add the video to this playlist, or you can select videos from your YouTube channel. So we'll select videos from our channel. First we select this video. So this video added and a playlist thumbnail added from this video. We'll add more videos. This one and this one. So all the three videos added to the playlist. Now if you want to change the order of this video, you can easily drag and drop the video up and down. You can easily change the order. If you want to remove some videos from the list, you just click on remove button. You can change the order from here also. You can move the video bottom, and now you can move to top. So the thumbnail automatically taken from the video that is showing on the top. If you want to show thumbnail from another video, you just click here, then set as playlist thumbnail. So now this thumbnail is set from this video. So we'll use this thumbnail. Now we'll add description to our playlist. Now click outside the text box. So the description is added to the list. This is how you can create playlist of videos of your YouTube channel. Write us your comments about the video in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and share the videos with your friends. Thank you for watching.